Set my coffee. I can't find my tripod. I was gonna use the tripod to oh, there's the camera. I was gonna use the tripod to hold it so I can show the my unboxing. But anyway, so yeah, I've been neglecting my on-road stuff, and I need to get back kind of to it because the days that I can't go off-road, I want to do on-road, right? I know it's a lot. So total cars I have now is 5, which is a lot. I think 2 classes per race day is more than enough for me. So on off-road, I have 3. So I have the buggy, I have a stadium truck now, which I'm still working on finishing it, and then I have the Mini. So I'm gonna have to. We'll see, because when you got races back to back to back, you're chasing batteries and you try to charge them, and it's hard to get in between. It's fast paced. So on the on road, I'm gonna have my stock or modified stock or stock touring, and then I'm gonna have my super stock car, which is the one. This is the unboxing that I'm doing now. But so back to the off road. I'm just gonna have to maybe put the Mini B up and then run the stadium truck and the buggy. But anyway, so yeah, so I've been running a lot of off road lately. I got really hooked to it. It's a lot funner. To me, it's fun. I mean, I just off road. I've grown up, outdoors and riding four wheelers and stuff. So off roading itself is just fun for me. On road, I think really helped me become a better driver, which I don't even think I'm a good driver, but it has helped me skill wise. I think on road helps better. It's more technical, I guess, because off-roading is more forgiving when you're jumping around and bouncing. Now, to be quick in off-road is a whole different ballgame. You have to have a really good setup, and you got to be a good driver. And then on-road, you just have to be a really good driver, and your car has to be like on rails, the way it's set up and grip and everything. But I guess I'm gonna do an unboxing, and I guess I'm just gonna have to handheld it. But I'm gonna show the box. And the car that I bought is actually kind of like a pan car, but in a Mini Z style. So I'll flip the camera around and I'll show y'all. It's basically a Kyosho box stock, except the whole back end. So the back end is next. It has the T-plate, and then it has a better spring. So the stock Kyosho is just, it's not. So it's a lot stiffer. The whole front end is all stock. Actually, the car is pretty much the car is pretty much stock except for that. So it's got a PN 70 Terran motor in it. It's a pretty quick car. I noticed that everybody has moved up from the stock to an Evo board, which is like a next level up. In an Evo board, you can program. So this car is, I think it's kind of outdated. Or it's a good beginner car. But, I mean, I can drive it really good, but I think I max out. So I'm maxed out and everybody can advance. I think I'm limited to, this car is just limited. I think of, how would I say it? I'm maxed out, so I can't get any faster with this car. And then, see, so let's compare them, right? Kyosho box stock with the next rear motor pod, and then so this is gonna have a lipo, and then this is the AAA car. It's got a brushless motor, so it's got the same kind of pod. It looks kind of the same pod, right? And then all carbon fiber. So, and then I think this is adjustable too up here on suspension. And then the only thing you really can do on this one is you can adjust the springs. I've done the kingpin flip, and then I got the carbon fiber T-plate number 3. So yeah, right. All right. So here's the box. GL Racing GLR. I think there's like 2 different versions of this car. This is this version with the springs going perpendicular to this spring, right? So this car has 1 spring, and then it's got 2 little springs here and on the bottom. This one has 1 spring in the middle, and then 1 on each side. So that's gonna keep the car, the tightness there. I don't know if it has a T-plate or not. I need to, when I open it up, we'll look at it. But yeah, so, and I think, so they make this version and another version, and I think the other version has the springs at an angle here, which I think is the GLR GT. So I got HoustonRC.net. What is it, 35? Yeah, 35 kV motor. I think he put his little name on it. Pretty neat. Got a receiver for my Noble. Oh, my hand's all in the way. So I got metal piston rods, because I think the kit comes with carbon ones. So I got the metal rods. It's been a while since when I bought the car, I looked into everything, and then it's just been sitting in my pit bag. Carbon fiber chassis and all the little components, but they told me to get the brass GL for the low center of gravity to keep the weight down. So I'm going to use this instead of the carbon fiber one, which is cool. But I mean, if they said that use the brass one, I'm going to use the brass one. I'm going to take their word for it. So let's look at here. So you got all your rear end springs, rear motor pod. Oh, servo. There's a servo there. So okay, I didn't think the servo came with it. What is this over here? Oh, I think that's the ESC. Oh, it is the ESC. Oh, okay, that's cool. I didn't know that came with it too. And then these are all the little parts. And then there's it's like a wind reflector that goes on the bottom and the rear end. What else is in here? So these are all the bearings. All the balls. Oh, I don't know where the cups are. Oh, the cups are here. Wait, no. Yeah, the cups are here. So these are the cups. And there are all your balls. So they give you 2 tools, or 3 tools. Okay. And so you notice there's no instruction, so I'm going to have to look up the instructions. And I think it's PDF. So yeah, it doesn't look too hard, because I mean, look how, it's not crazy. I think the hardest thing is probably going to be the front end, which is, the front end on that, all the little components. But other than that, I don't think it's going to be too hard, but we'll see. I've built ball diffs before, so it's not too hard building ball diffs. I like the blue. Blue's pretty neat. So yeah, hopefully I can start building it. One of the guys at the track, he says he can build them in 2 hours. I mean, I doubt. Maybe if I sit here and don't get distracted, I could probably do it in like 6-8 hours, maybe less. I don't know yet. So let me get the PDF and look at the PDF before I even start opening these bags up. But yeah, so I don't want to get this video too long, but so there's my unboxing. I'm gonna try to get it all unboxed. Oh yeah, and then the body. So the body looks just like this. I don't want to. It's in one of my other boxes, but the body's just like this, except I'm gonna cut this off, and then they use the Lexan top, so it makes them a little bit lighter. This one I want to repaint, but I want to keep the same paint scheme. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. If you stuck this far, and like, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions on this body or on this car, leave a comment, and I'll see y'all later.